In this video, I will show you guys how can you fix Metamask extension not working on Mrs. Browser. So I will go on Mrs. Browser. I will click on the extensions tab here, click on extensions, and from here I will click on three dots tab, and after that click on delete browsing data. So I will delete all time browsing data, and I will click here on delete data. Right now I will go again to Mrs. Browser, click here on extensions. I will go on extensions again. I will remove Metamask and I will download it again. You will need to go here to discover more extensions. On the search tab, you will need to add Metamask. Click on it. Add to Chrome because I'm accessing Chrome Web Store on Mrs. Browser. Click on OK. And as you can see right now, guys, it's done and it need to work. I hope that this video will help you guys and we will see in the next videos.